Welcome to the insurance fair.
Good morning, you guys. I'm so glad both of your booths are right beside each other because I need help finding the best auto insurance policy for me. I've narrowed it down to Geico or State Farm, but I want to take one last look at each of your policies before deciding.
Good morning. My name is Niall, and I am a Geico insurance agent.
Hello, Amanda. I'm Jake from State Farm, here to help you. Tell me about yourself and your auto history.
Okay, well, I'm looking for auto insurance for my 2008 Toyota RAV4, and I have a good credit history and a fantastic score of 800. I always pay my bills on time, I'm not in debt, I make $100,000 a year, and I've never been in an accident. Additionally, I'm willing to have a $1,000 deductible. I know there are many factors that play into auto insurance, so I was hoping you guys could help me figure out if Geico or State Farm had the best policy for me.
I would be glad to help you. Before we begin, I would like to mention that with a $1,000 deductible, your rates will decrease by 1 to 2%.
Same here. State Farm can save you 1 to 3% on your monthly rates due to your deductible.
That would be awesome. Thanks for your help. All I know is that the minimum requirements for North Carolina are that you have to have liability insurance for any vehicle that you plan to drive that covers $30,000 of bodily injury liability per person per accident, $60,000 of bodily injury liability per total accident, $25,000 of property damage liability per accident. Can you tell me a little bit about what Geico and State Farm offer under their liability coverage?
Bodily injury liability at Geico provides protection if you injure or kill someone while operating your car. It also provides for a legal defense if another party in the accident files a lawsuit against you. In the event of a serious accident, you want the insurance enough to cover judgment against you in a lawsuit without jeopardizing your personal assets. Bodily injury liability covers injury to people, not your vehicle. Therefore, it's a good idea to have the same level of coverage for all of your cars.
At State Farm, we pay damages to bodily injury and damage to another person's property for which you are responsible for. If you are sued, we will pay your defense and court costs under the liability insurance. For example, we cover pain and suffering, medical expenses, and lost wages under our bodily injury liability. North Carolina offers a 30-60-25 minimum limit for liability insurance, but at State Farm, we recommend to raise those limits as we can provide you more coverage and protection.
That's awesome coverage. I feel really protected under those policies. I drive people around quite a lot, and I want to make sure that they're protected as well as myself in case of an injury. What about medical payment insurance for both of your companies?
Great question. Geico usually pays for the medical expenses of the injured driver and passengers in your car. There may also be coverage if you are injured by a vehicle as a pedestrian.
I'm glad you asked. There is not a minimum limit set by the state of North Carolina for medical insurance. However, at State Farm, our medical payments coverage will pay reasonable medical and funeral expenses up to a specific limit for those who are covered.
What about collision coverage?
Collision coverage pays for damage to your car when your car hits or is hit by another vehicle or another object. To keep your premiums low, select as large a deductible as you feel comfortable paying out of pocket. For older cars, consider dropping this coverage, since coverage is normally limited to the cash value of your car.
State Farm's collision insurance pays for your covered vehicle when damages are done by collision with another vehicle, collision with another object, and a vehicle rollover. All three are subject to a deductible, which, if it's high, can lower your premium but increase the amount paid out of pocket during a loss. You just have to ask yourself how much you're willing to pay out of pocket to keep your premium low.
What is included under your emergency roadside assistance service?
For as little as $14 a year, Geico offers roadside service, including jumping a dead car battery, replacing a flat tire with a spare, delivering gas when your tank is empty, sending a locksmith when you're locked out, and towing.
Our emergency roadside service at State Farm covers costs from towing your vehicle to a repair facility, mechanical labor at the place of a breakdown when your vehicle becomes disabled, pulling your vehicle out of a location where it is stuck, delivery of gas or oil, assistance with changing a tire, a jump start, and locksmith services. When you purchase an auto insurance plan, the emergency roadside service number will be provided for you.
What can each of you offer me regarding uninsured motorists?
Uninsured motorist coverage at Geico pays for your injuries caused by an uninsured driver or a hit-and-run driver. There is also uninsured motorist coverage for damage to your vehicle.
Unfortunately, there are drivers without liability insurance. Uninsured motorist coverage will pay for damages when you are injured in a car accident caused by another person who does not have insurance. Medical expenses, pain and suffering, and lost wages are some examples of bodily injury damages. Getting uninsured motorist coverage allows you to decide how much auto insurance coverage is available to pay for your damages when you are hit by an uninsured motorist.
This all sounds great, but how will all this coverage affect my monthly premium? And can you also give me a summary of why I should join your insurance company?
I think both of us can agree that as a result of your deductible, good credit history, along with other information you have provided with us, your monthly premium will be very reasonable. All in all, Geico is the better option. Most customers save money because we offer some of the best auto insurance rates around. You can reach us anytime, day or night, any day of the year. You deal directly with Geico. We settle claims quickly and fairly. We are financially stable with solid reputation. And finally, you could save 15% or more with Geico.
Yes, because of your deductible, credit history, and information provided, your monthly premium at State Farm would be extremely cost-friendly. Choosing the right auto insurance can be tough, but State Farm makes it easier with our fast online quote process. We are there for you anytime and anywhere with helpful guidance and our select service program of auto repairs committed to providing quality auto repairs. More drivers choose us over any other auto provider. Get your auto insurance quote today and get to a better state.
Thank you guys so much for all of your help. It's really going to be a difficult decision, but I feel more informed after talking to you.